How to use Expedia points for flights. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to use Expedia points for booking flights. So let's get started. You can earn the Expedia reward points at the lower rating for flights compared to other bookings. Especially, you'll earn 1 point for every $5 spent on flights. To redeem points for the flight, you need enough points to cover the full cost of the ticket. There is no option to use a combination of points and cash. Each point is worth 1 cent when used for flights, and therefore expensive flights would require a larger points balance since there are no special redemption rates or promotions for flights. If a suite is available for purchase on Expedia, you can redeem points for it. There are no blackout dates or restrictions like those found in airline frequent flyer programs. To get started, you can log into your Expedia account, search for your desired flight, and proceed to check out. When choosing your payment method, select Use My Points to apply your points balance to the total ticket cost. And in summary, while you earn points at a lower rate for flights, redeeming them is quite straightforward. You simply need enough points to cover the full ticket price, with each point valued at 1 cent. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.